Your business is already protected from incoming email threats. But what about the emails going out of your organization? That's where INKY Pro makes all the difference. First, outbound mail protection. Imagine an employee accidentally sending out customer credit card numbers, bank account information, or social security numbers. INKY Pro stops it with approval workflows that catch risky emails before they leave your organization. Sensitive data gets encrypted automatically. Second, protect your domain reputation with DMARC monitoring. Criminals spoof your company's email to impersonate your CEO or finance team. INKY Pro detects spoofing and impersonation attempts in real time, protecting your brand and your customers. Third, defend against AI-powered attacks. Generative AI creates hyper-realistic phishing emails that humans can't detect. INKY Pro uses advanced AI detection, conversation analysis, computer vision, and behavioral detection to catch what standard filters miss. INKY Pro adds everything advanced has, plus generative AI defense, outbound mail protection, email encryption, and DMARC monitoring, all for just $2.50 per user per month. One prevented wire transfer fraud pays for the entire upgrade.